How are you, my friend? I think you are okay. I'd like to welcome you for this channel at the V2 TV in order to know issues about the environment. And for today, we are going to learn how can we clean our environment. Welcome to enjoy.
And possible solutions. Probably the biggest threat to the environment is global warming. Let's look at the causes and what we can do about it. Burning fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas, releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases then get trapped in the atmosphere. This layer of gases trap in heat radiating up from the Earth. This causes the planet to get hotter. We call this the greenhouse effect because it is similar to how a greenhouse works by trapping the heat from the sun. So the Earth is getting hotter. What can we do to solve this problem? We can reduce the amount of greenhouse gases that we put into the atmosphere. There are many things we can do to help. Here are a couple. We should use energy-saving light bulbs. And we can drive more efficient cars. So burning fossil fuels leads to global warming. But what are the negative effects of higher temperatures, and what should we do to help the environment? The ice caps are melting. As a result, sea levels are rising. We should use renewable energy. Deserts are growing. We should plant more trees. This chart shows the cause and effect of global warming. Burning fossil fuels releases gases into the atmosphere. These gases then get trapped in the atmosphere. This layer then traps heat. As a result, the Earth gets hotter. This causes the ice caps to melt. So sea levels begin to rise. What other environmental problems are there? Oceans are polluted. We should save water in the home. Air pollution causes health problems. We should use public transport. Wildlife is losing its habitat. We should protect the rainforests. Landfills emit greenhouse gases. We should reduce, reuse, and recycle. The 3 R's. These are probably the greatest things we can do to help protect the environment. Reduce. It would be better for the environment if we reduced the amount of things we buy and use. It would also save us money. Reuse. We should reuse things when we can. Don't use disposable shopping bags. Instead, take a reusable bag. Recycle. Help the environment by recycling your waste. We can recycle paper, plastic, metal, and glass. Here's a homework assignment. Answer these questions by putting your answers in the comments and I'll check your answers. Number 1. What do you do to help prevent pollution? Number 2. What can large cities do to improve their air quality? Number 3. Are you worried about global warming? Number 4. What are some things which you recycle? Number 5. What is the most important issue facing the environment today? Answer in full sentences. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.